Hi there, and welcome to Bemis Public Library's Story Time. So today we're going to read some stories about birds. Books about birds. What letter do both of those words start with? B-b-b-b-b. Books and birds both start with B. I see some birds over here listening to the story. This is a meadowlark. This is a different kind of a lark. This is a lark bunting. And here is a cardinal. Let's see what sound the cardinal makes. Have you heard birds like that in your yard or in the park? Let's see if we can get them to all sing a song together. Somebody's singing already. Okay, ready? All right, thank you. So I'm going to put the cardinal back here. And we'll do a little rhyme. Two little singing birds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Where are they? Come back, Jack. And come back, Jill. There they are. They were such good listeners for the first book. I'll put them back here, see if they can listen well for our next story. This is a redbird, just like the red cardinal we have here. So this book is called Early Bird by Toni, Yuly. And this book is used with permission of Macmillan Publishers. Early bird likes to wake up early. Early while the stars and the moon are still out. And she stands as tall as she can. Can you stand up straight and tall? And she takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. Early bird wakes up even before the sun. And then she gets started on her day. She goes across the grass, through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path, under those flowers, around the corner. Whoops! What did she spot around the corner? There lies a sleeping cat. She'd better be careful. So she jumps over the cat. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden. Oh, these little things are growing. And in the garden she finds the early worm. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. Oh, she's got the worm in her beak. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. Very nice to be friends and share. The end. And I want to remind everybody that if you're out walking with your family, if you come by the Bemis Library, even though we're closed right now, go to the grassy area on the north side of the library. We have some bird feeders, and we're going to be putting up some bird houses. And maybe you could have a little bird watching trip with your family and see what kinds of birds you can see and hear. Well, thanks so much for joining me for Bemis Public Library Storytime. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.